This Adria Coral 670 DL Supreme on the Mercedes chassis is here at TMD Motorhomes in Birmingham. It comes with factory fitted air conditioning, leather choles, upholstery. Oh, and did I mention the Mercedes star? For more exciting videos, don't forget there's plenty on social media.